3 exponent x times 3 exponent x over 3 equals 15. Okay, so we are going to have 3 exponent x times 3 exponent x equals 3 times 15. Alright, now let's apply the first law of indices at the left side of the equation. So a exponent m times a exponent c equals a exponent m plus c. Okay, therefore a exponent m times a exponent m will give us a exponent 2m. So our equation becomes 3 exponent 2x equals 3 times 15 is the same as 3 times 5. Okay, alright, so we are going to have 3 exponent 2x equals, now 3 is the same as 3 exponent 1. Okay, alright, so we are going to have 3 exponent 2x equals, we are applying the first law of indices here. Okay, so we are going to have 3 exponent 1 plus 1. Alright, so our equation becomes 3 exponent 2x equals 3 exponent 2 times 5. Alright, now let's divide both sides of the equation by 3 exponent 2 so that we can apply the quotient rule. Okay, so we are left with 3 exponent 2x over 3 exponent 2 equals 5. So the next thing we do, so now we are going to apply the quotient rule. The rule states that a exponent m over a exponent c should give us a exponent m minus c. So we are going to have 3 exponent 2x minus 2 equals 5. Alright, so the base here and the base here are not the same. So because of that, we are going to apply logarithm. So we say log 3 exponent 2x minus 2 equals log 5. Okay, now let's apply the logarithm definition, or let's use the concept of the logarithm definition to evaluate the left part of our equation. So if you have log a exponent n base b, this gives you n log a base b. Okay, so we are going to have 2x minus 2 multiplying log 3 equals log 5. So we are going to have 2x minus 2 multiplying log 3 equals log 5. Alright, so we divide here by log 3 and then here by log 3. So anything over itself is 1. Okay, so log 3 by log 3 is 1, or you can simply say this will cancel this. Okay, so we are going to have 2x minus 2 equals log 5 over log 3. Okay, over log 3. Alright, so the next thing we're going to do is to apply the change of base formula. So we say log a over log b should give us log a base b. Okay, so our equation becomes 2x minus 2 equals log 5 base 3. Okay, so we are going to transpose minus 2. Okay, so we are going to have 2x equals log 5 base 3 plus 2. Alright, so you want to make x the subject of the equation. So we divide both sides of the equation by 2. We have 2x equals log 5 base 3 plus 2. Okay, so since we want to make x the subject of the equation, divide here by 2 and then here by 2. So this cancels this. So we are left with x equals log 5 base 3 plus 2 all over 2.